Let's learn some more powerful English words to improve your vocabulary. Brilliant. Meaning, बहुत ज़्यादा smart या amazing. Sentence, that was a brilliant idea. Effort. Meaning, मेहनत. Sentence, success comes with effort. Quickly. Meaning, तेजी से. Sentence, she finished her work quickly. Helpful. Meaning, maddegar. Sentence, he is a very helpful person. Challenge. Meaning, mushkil kaam. Sentence, learning English is a challenge. Strong. Meaning, ताकतवर. Sentence, stay strong and never give up. Idea. Meaning, khayal. Sentence, I have a new idea. Learn. Meaning, सीखना. Sentence, I want to learn English. Use these words daily and your English will improve fast.